50% of stolen bikes are taken straight from the owner's home, not the street. 1.5 million bikes are stolen in the US annually. If you're riding a $2,000 bike, a cheap lock is basically a donation to thieves. The golden rule: spend 10 to 15% of your bike's value on security. First, the mistake most people make: cable locks are completely useless. Bolt cutters snap them in 5 seconds. Get a heavy chain like the $100 Kryptonite Evolution instead. Its 10mm hardened steel actually puts up a fight. But the undisputed king is the U-lock. The $100 Kryptonite New York lock demands an angle grinder. Need pocket convenience? The $120 Abu's Bordeaux folding lock is a fantastic compromise. Having the best lock doesn't matter if you secure it wrong. This is where buyers get tricked. Use the Sheldon Brown method. Pass your U-lock through the rear wheel inside the rear frame triangle. This secures both wheel and frame instantly. Here's the trap. You lock up tight at work, but 50% of bikes are stolen from homes, garages, and apartment hallways. If your bike lives in a garage, install a $50 ground anchor. Don't kid yourself about home security. Without tracking, recovery rates are under 5%. Layer your defense. Register on Bike Index for free and hide a $30 Apple AirTag inside your bike's frame. For true peace of mind, consider insurance. Your renter's policy works, but beware the high deductible. For a $3,000 bike, dedicated policies from Velassurance run about $150 to $300 a year, covering theft, crash damage, and full replacement. For most people with a $2,000 bike, here is your definitive blueprint. Buy the $100 Kryptonite New York lock, a $15 cable, and a $30 AirTag. For $145, you've built an impenetrable fortress that makes thieves look elsewhere. Lock it right or lose it forever.